Soul of the flower. The narrow lane of the old city was a maze of colors, but the air near the corner shop belonged to a different world. It wasn't just the damp earth after a light rain. It wasn't just the scent of crushed spices, but the intoxicating, heavy aroma of rose and sandalwood drifting from Nazim's workshop. Inside, the walls were lined with tiny crystal vials that caught the light. Copper vessels sat on low flames. Bamboo pipes snaked through cool water, and Kabir stood in the center, breathing in the magic. Nazim Chacha, Kabir asked, watching steam rise from a large copper pot. How do you trap the smell of a rose inside a bottle without the flower rotting? Nazim smiled, his arms moving in a steady, 3D animated circle. We don't trap the flower, Kabir, he said. We capture its soul. Kabir looked at the bamboo pipe, connecting the boiling pot to a smaller vessel resting in a cold water. Is that what the steam is for? Nazim nodded. Roses and water boil together here. The heat turns the flower's essence into vapor. In your books, they call this distillation. Kabir watched the steam travel through the bamboo pipe and vanish into the cool pot. But steam is just air, Kabir argued. How does it become perfume? That is the secret of the cooling water, Nazim explained. When the hot vapor hits the cold, it turns back into a liquid, pure, concentrated oil. Kabir's eyes widened as he saw a single golden drop fall into the small vial. So you boil to separate the scent and cool to collect it? Exactly, Nazim said. And when we have a mixture of different scents that boil at temperatures very close to each other, we use a longer path to separate them one by one. That, he added, is fractional distillation. Kabir looked at the ancient copper pots and the simple bamboo pipes. This looks like the chemistry lab at school, but it's been here for centuries. Nazim chuckled, handing Kabir a small vial of Mitti Ittar. Our ancestors in Kannauj mastered this separation long before the world called it a science. Kabir smelled the vial. It was the scent of the first rain on dry earth. Pure, concentrated, perfect. The workshop felt different now. Not just a shop of smells, but a laboratory of heritage, of boiling points, of condensation. Kabir watched the golden drops gather. A traditional craft had explained a complex scientific process. Science, hidden in the heart of a rose,